Right now, as you're listening to this, millions of your cells are dying, slowly, quietly, filling up with toxic garbage like a landfill nobody's emptying. But here's the terrifying part. You're the one keeping the garbage trucks away. Every time you eat, you hit pause on the only cleanup crew that can save you. It's called autophagy, and most people will never unlock its power. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact timeline to flip the switch from your body's self-destruct to its rebirth mode. Let me ask you something. What do you think happens when you stop eating? Hunger pangs, irritability, maybe some brain fog? Wrong. Dead wrong. When you fast long enough, your body doesn't panic. It transforms. It stops being a consumer and becomes a recycler. A study published in Cell Metabolism revealed that after just 12 to 16 hours without food, your cells begin a process so powerful it won the Nobel Prize in 2016. It's called autophagy, Greek for self-eating. This isn't cannibalism, it's cellular resurrection. Think of your body as a city. Autophagy is the night crew that shows up when the budget's cut, tearing down condemned buildings, recycling scrap metal, and upgrading the power grid. Except the city is you. And those condemned buildings, they're damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, and precancerous cells lurking in the shadows. So how long before this miracle kicks in? Let's break it down hour by hour. Timing is everything. For the first 6 hours after your last meal, your body's riding the glucose wave. Insulin is high. Autophagy is completely asleep. Your cells are in consumer mode, building, storing, consuming. Nothing is getting cleaned yet. Then, from hours 6 to 12, things start to shift. Glucose drops, insulin falls, your liver starts burning through its emergency fuel tank. You might feel a little hungry, but what you can't feel is the memo going out deep inside your cells. No new shipments coming in, time to check the inventory. By hour 12, a cellular alarm goes off. A protein called AMPK, your body's internal fuel gauge, detects low energy and flips a switch. Genes that were dormant for years wake up. Autophagy is no longer sleeping, it's stirring. At hour 16, congratulations, you've just crossed the threshold.
Autophagy is now officially online. Inside your cells, microscopic garbage trucks called autophasomes start roaming around, tagging damaged proteins, worn-out organelles, and cellular junk. They wrap it up, drag it to the recycling center, and break it down into raw materials. Your body isn't just surviving without food, it's upgrading itself from the inside out. A 2019 study in Nature Aging confirmed that fasting for 16 hours significantly boosts these autophagy markers, leading to reduced inflammation and a tune-up for your cellular power plants. But it gets even wilder. At hour 24, autophagy hits full throttle. Now we're talking about mitophagy, the elite special forces of autophagy that specifically hunt down old dysfunctional mitochondria. These are the power plants that leak toxic byproducts, basically cellular rust when they get old. Mitophagy hunts them down and replaces them with fresh, efficient ones. And that's not all. Your immune system gets a complete reboot. Old, exhausted white blood cells are retired. New ones are born, faster, smarter, deadlier to invaders. No pills, no potions, just the profound power of not eating for 24 hours. You hold the switch to your own cellular rebirth. The only question is, will you flip it?
Let's continue with the peak, 36 to 48 hours. Hour 36. Welcome to the deep end. This is where autophagy reaches its absolute peak. Growth hormone levels skyrocket, up to 5 times normal, protecting your muscles, torching fat, and slowing biological aging. Your body is now in full renovation mode. Damaged DNA is being repaired, misfolded proteins, the kind linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, are being dismantled. Precancerous cells, tagged and destroyed. A groundbreaking 2020 study in Science Translational Medicine showed that fasting for 36 to 48 hours triggered a complete regeneration of the immune system in mice, and early human trials showed similar results. Your body isn't just cleaning anymore, it's transforming. But here's the catch. Timing is everything. Push past 48 hours without proper preparation, and you cross the line from autophagy into starvation. Cortisol spikes, muscle breakdown accelerates. Your body flips from repair mode to survival panic. The difference? Intention and control. Let's be crystal clear. Fasting is not starvation. Fasting is strategic, controlled, empowering. It's like telling your body, hey, while we're not digesting, go clean things up. The result? Fat loss, reduced inflammation, sharper cognition, longer lifespan. Starvation is chaos. It's your body cannibalizing itself to survive, breaking down muscles, suppressing immunity, slowing metabolism. It's the difference between deep cleaning your house and a tornado ripping off the roof.
The key? Listen to your body. If you feel weak, dizzy, or mentally foggy beyond the first 24 hours, break the fast. Autophagy is powerful, but it's not worth sacrificing your health. Smart fasting is about rhythm, not extremes. So what does all this autophagy actually do for you? Let's talk benefits, because weight loss is just the tip of the iceberg. Longevity. Studies on rodents show fasting extends lifespan by up to 30%. Why? Because autophagy clears out the cellular junk that causes aging. You're not just living longer, you're aging better. Brain power. Many fasters report insane mental clarity. That's because with digestion on pause, energy is rerouted to your brain. You think faster, remember better, and stay calmer under pressure. Fasting also boosts BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor, a protein that grows new brain cells. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer behind diabetes, Alzheimer's, heart disease. Fasting slashes inflammation markers like a fire extinguisher dousing flames. Mental resilience. Every time you sit through a craving without caving, you're training your brain in self-control, a rare superpower in today's dopamine-addicted world. Think fasting is the only way? Think again. Here are 4 other autophagy hacks. 1. HIIT training. High-intensity exercise burns through glycogen fast, triggering autophagy. Sprints, burpees, planks, your body cleans house while you sweat. 2. Cold exposure. Ice baths and cold showers activate heat shock proteins and autophagy. Finally, a scientific excuse for shrieking in the cold. 3. Polyphenols. Green tea, turmeric, resveratrol. Yes, red wine. These compounds flip on AMPK, your body's repair switch. And 4. Deep sleep. During REM sleep, your brain clears out toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's. You're literally cleaning your cells while dreaming. Here's the bottom line. Autophagy is not a one-time miracle. It's a rhythm, a lifestyle. You don't need to fast for 48 hours every week. Start with 16. Try a 24-hour fast once a month. Build the habit. Because every day, your body creates cellular garbage, and if you don't clean it up, it piles up. The question isn't, can I fast? It's, can I afford not to? Your body has a self-healing system more powerful than any drug on the market. It's been inside you all along. All you have to do is stop eating long enough to let it work. So here's my challenge. Try a 16-hour fast this week. Skip breakfast, drink water, black coffee, and watch what happens. Then come back and tell me in the comments, did you feel the shift? If you want more science-backed longevity hacks, subscribe now, hit the bell, and remember, your body is a miracle. Treat it like one.